Welcome to HubMesh. Here are today's trending GitHub developer tools and AI agents. Imagine an AI assistant that answers your WhatsApp messages, automates online store orders, or handles business bookings. WAGENT makes it happen. This WAGENT platform is an open-source, self-hosted, multi-AI WhatsApp agent for anyone, offering a flexible foundation. So, what is WAGENT? It's a WhatsApp AI agent platform for personal assistants, online stores, businesses, and developers to build custom agents. The preview section shows a UI setup wizard and WhatsApp QR authentication, making initial setup straightforward. The overview section reveals a web dashboard for configuring WhatsApp numbers and monitoring conversation history, providing a clear operational view. Imagine an OS agent that truly understands you, detecting your life patterns and growing smarter about you every single day. This personal OS, hermes-life-os, remembers everything from your mood to your meals, getting smarter about you daily. It connects dots you might miss, like energy crashes after poor sleep, and provides personalized insights based on your data. The architecture diagram shows how your shared information flows from remembering details to detecting patterns, and then to a personalized brief. Key Hermes features used include memory for storing every detail and Cron for automated briefings and weekly reviews, making it a truly proactive agent. Imagine getting a hand-drawn animated architecture diagram, complete with flowing dots, all from a single HTML file. This first section introduces animated sketch diagram, a Claude Code skill that draws technical diagrams like a senior engineer sketching on paper. The Why This One section highlights meaningful motion where dots trace the real topology, explaining the architecture, not just decorating it. To install animated sketch diagram, you can add it via the plugin marketplace in Claude Code or use MPX skills add with skills dash. The overview section explains that this project generates diagrams with a consistent design system, ensuring every diagram matches in style and appearance. Subscribe to HubMesh for more daily GitHub developer tools and agent projects.